on today's video, it is cold. We have to heat up the furnace up there to get it to go, but we gotta get Callum's car to the garage. It's still in the trailer. And today we're lowering this guy's truck. This is Silverado. So we're doing a 1-inch drop in the front and 3 1/4 in the rear. So we're just gonna get this furnace going, then we can bring his truck inside and get working. I know, all you're gonna hear is this thing. You gotta heat it up. Okay, kid, what's going on? So this is Michael's Yee truck.
Yeah, so we got some Belltech drop shackles.
Let's open them up. Let's see them.
Throw in there. I already opened them. So these are them, Big Johnnies. So what? It's 1 inch here and then 2 inch up top.
Yeah, 2 inch will be the very top.
So you pick and choose how low you want to be, like
so
how rise you want to be.
It's a 1 inch drop or a 2 inch drop.
And then I think these are the spacers for
the U-bolts.
The U-bolts, yeah. When you take the rear block in.
Yeah. So it's a net 3 1/4 drop in the back.
Yeah, because we already removed the factory block that goes between the axle and the spring. So that's already a 1 1/4 inch drop.
Yeah.
And this is gonna give it another 2 inches.
And we got the Amazon special hub-centric spacers, 1.5 inches. They're heavy, okay?
They're heavy, okay? Do you need a knife?
Got the screw.
Oh, you get a screw.
There you go.
Our own's got the professional tool.
Sir.
Put a little mask off.
Dog friendly zone.
These are them here.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
Yeah.
We shall
Nice.
see if it wobbles.
Yeah. And our buddy had these McGoy's shocks in his Sierra, but he went with the 2 inch drop shackle and some other parts instead. So these are set. They have adjustable like rings right here, so you can remove the rings out to either lower down the truck or raise it. So right now they're set to a 1 inch drop. I think Michael's looking more for a level look, or get like a before and after. Go put your piece of deal there to go see
Here, I got
the reference. Use your fist for measurement. Yeah, so it's about one hell yeah, brother. Hi.
It's about one hang loose sign high. That's how Hawaiians measure.
Yep.
This one is about half a hang loose, so I can't extend my pinky all the way. So
This is more of like a rock on. Put out the index finger.
Yeah, so it's about a rock on. Yeah, I got about.
Okay, let's actually get the measuring stick. All right, so from the ground up, we're at
3 feet.
wow, exactly 3 feet. That's crazy.
37 1/4.
And
It's close.
no, you know what? It's 37 and an eighth. 37 inches and an eighth. And then, so we'll get to going on it. Essential step for Canadians to lift stuff up on the hoist is you gotta, oh yeah, that was a big chunk.
Try not to get our knees dirty here.
This guy's literally doing a plank. His knees are not even touching the ground. I'm surprised.
That's how you do it, man.
Is this set up?
You want to get the clothes dirty, yeah.
All right, do this front one. I'm not getting on my knees for your truck. Oh, geez, chill, bro. People are gonna have to pay for the subscription.
You guys can also subscribe to my OnlyFans.
Dude, this guy's hovering. He is not laying on the ground. He's literally hovering there. Let's see, clean check. He's mint. Got to suit up for war.
Yeah. Steve Madden boots. You know, it's okay if the clothes aren't so nice. As long as the shoes are nice, you're doing well.
This guy's got the $20 jumpsuit on the Steve Madden boots.
Priorities.
Dude, you guys are suited up. They're crawling under the truck. I'm working on the front suspension, so.
You're lying back.
Oh, yeah.
You can put this on faster.
Harlan just beat you. Oh, you work for the city of Toronto?
Toronto. Small engine mechanic, you know? Work on like weed eaters and shit.
Can't get your fly. Oh, you got buttons. Got the old school. All right, enough chit chat. Let's get the wheels off. You don't unlock your truck to get to the spare tire.
No, I was just fucking with it. Really?
Yeah.
Damn, that's cool.
Yeah, no, pull it out. No,
turn your key
Yeah,
and then
turn the
pull.
key right and pull. Yeah, there.
What did I just do, man?
Broken.
So, Arlen, what are we doing?
We're lowering the spare tire, and then we got to take the hitch off. We got to raise the bed a little bit, and then we'll be able to access the shackles.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Pretty good lowering kit for $60 though. You can't really lower anything else for $60.
Well, Michael's getting it done for $60.
Am I going the right way? I don't know my lefties and righties.
Oh, Michael, show them the Canadian Creeper. The thing that you're on.
So when it gets nice and icy,
And you lay on the ground, you just get a little toboggan.
a little toboggan.
It better be Skidoo branded, or Skidoo or Skidoo. So Chevys have a hand crank start,
Like the old Model A.
just like a lawnmower.
Start purring like a kitten soon.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's already on the ground. But keep going until it's slack. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, okay. That's it. Michael, reach in the middle of that,
Yeah.
and you gotta push the thing that holds it up down in the center.
No.
You want it out of there.
Yeah.
Push what?
In the center of the rim,
Yeah.
there's a thing that you gotta slide through the hub. Like where the center cap goes. You gotta like turn it 90 degrees to slide it out.
Like turn it, like flip it up this way, you know what I mean?
So I gotta.
Here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, I'll hold it up. Isn't that weird? That's all that holds it?
Yeah, that's actually kind of scary.
What do you mean?
I don't know.
That steel cable can hold more than that rim.
It's true. It's true. I don't know. It's just like, you know.
Okay, we're unbolting the hitch right now. I know it's these two bolts. We got a third one here,
Yeah.
and I think we just take those three
And it's
off.
the same thing on this side too.
Yeah, and then all we're gonna do is what I did before is I think I lifted this with a jack or something and just tilted it down out of my way. Because all we have to do is we have to get to this bolt. Here's our main bolts right here.
Arlen's the expert on this. He's done this on his truck.
So we got this bolt here,
Yeah.
and then we got one above it for the shackle.
Yeah.
So we gotta get this out of the way to slide this bolt through.
Yeah.
So all we do is, I think I did that before. I think I just tilted the trailer hitch instead of taking it right off.
Yeah.
So, yeah, once we get this all off, we'll check it back in with ya.
Holy shit, we're at the zoo! It's an elephant. Let's try to get the lid over here. Oh, yeah, those are torque tight, dude. Oh, we got it.
Oh, Muscle Man! He drank his muscle milk this morning.
You have a protein shake today? Oh.
Cheerios and Wendy's. That will get you there.
Oh my god, my neck hurts from holding my head up.
Jesus. Okay, now it's spinning. We spinning. I need a tool.
You need a tool. I'm the tool guy.
I'm gonna need.
Make sure, guys, don't be like these plebs.
21.
Get a supervisor job like me. 21 what?
I think I might want to use a ratchet.
Oh.
Long.
My stomach is so bad.
Deep.
Half inch, 3/8?
21.
Oh my god. Short, deep?
Long.
Oh my god.
Oh, get whatever fits on this one.
What do you mean whatever fits on this one? Oh my god, that's 3/8.
Well, then get the 3/8 tool guy.
We don't have a 3/8 21. Hold on. Pump the brakes. What are you doing?
I am unbolting these shackles. There's 2 bolts located right here in the shackle hanger to the leaf spring.
Point at the shackle hanger.
Shackle hanger, shackle. We're making this longer.
Which in turn lowers the truck.
Yes, exactly. So we're going to have to bend this seam over too. That's another
Hold on, let me zoom in.
massage.
Where?
This seam here. We're going to have to massage it out of the way so the shackle has room to move.
You're ratcheting like a union worker.
I am a union worker.
Oh, that is true.
Hourly, right?
That's
Oh,
it.
my stomach is so wet.
Having fun under there, Mikey?
I feel it on my skin, the wetness.
The wetness. Okay, we should have the shackle hanger next. So we got that out right there. We gotta just jack up the bed a little bit, loosen the bed off the frame. So what, do you need the new shackles?
We need to clearance that little seam first. So we should lower the truck down so these are out of our way.
Lift the truck up.
Yeah, lift it up so these are out of our way.
Okay, I'll lift it up now.
Ready?
Yep.
Yep, go.
Oh, it's off the ground. That's as much as it goes. Okay, now we got room to get that seam.
Yeah.
All right,
Massaged.
massage it.
You don't even know.
Marshall. Marshall. You're a coal miner now. Let's see the hands. This guy's an electrician, dude. When do you ever see an electrician's hands that dirty?
Okay, come on. Enough. I'm here all day.
You shooting in 60 frames, kid?
Tackle in the front.
I already got the McGoy strut in here. It's pretty easy. 2 15mm bolts on the bottom, and then 3 18s on the top. You can access them through the fender well here, or from the top, but this is an e-assist truck, so it's got like an extra battery and stuff, so it's a little cram there, so I'm just tightening it up from here. And then so that's pretty much it for the front. Front's really easy compared to the back.
So that'll give us a 1 inch drop in the front. And then over here, we gotta cut the nub off of every single stud because here, these 1.5 inch spacers, they're just too small where the nub hangs out of it a little bit. And there's no recesses in the back of the wheels, so that's what we're resorting to. Alright, spacers on. Now they don't hang out. Spencer's just going around torquing everything.
Yeah, I'm like
Last
cleaning up
side.
the threads here.
Yeah.
Which is not even the threads, it's just that little like help.
Yeah, to help
That
guide it.
NASCAR style sleeve for them fast pit stops.
Yeah, there you go. Alright guys, so this is the old bump stop here. I cut it, so it's a little shorter. So it doesn't hit the axle, you know, every bump. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's lower it. First time going down. should get some measurements of where we're at now.
Yeah.
Come down here. Before we didn't have.
Have a rock and roll.
Used to have, you know, a little bit of this, but bigger. You know, we used to be able to hang the
thumb
the
up.
nice hang loose sign here. But now we're down to, you know,
Give her out.
yeah, a little bit of rock and roll there.
Feed the back.
And so now we're gonna have less of the hang loose. So yeah, see, you gotta do you gotta.
No
you
more
gotta
hang
rock
loose
on,
in the
dude.
back.
You gotta rock on. No more hanging loose here. That's it. See,
What do we got on the tape?
Oh
the tapes. It's not that important. I think hang loose is more. We got 36,
So we're about an inch lower.
about an inch lower.
An
We,
inch and
we,
an
we,
eighth.
we measured the front? Yeah, it was 3 feet exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this was
And this here we're about 35 and an eighth.
yeah,
Exactly an inch
So
down.
I mean
exactly an
this.
inch down.
So this is basically an inch. Yeah, the front was pretty well perfect, an inch drop. The rear, the shackles, you know, they only drop so much. But yeah, no, I think it looks good, man.
Yeah. It's still like a work truck. Like it's,
And then we got the spacers on there too, right? So it's
1.5 inches.
just a little bit of both.
Beef stew.
Happy?
I am
Right
very
on.
happy. Thank you, boys.